to start off, the first ang kuan na ning analytic geometry no is sa geometry we just had some general formulas no. This time in analytic geometry we will apply some analysis into the graphs. Okay, so for example, if we have equations no, we are trying to combine no algebra and geometry this time no. Okay, so for example, if we have this plot no, i-plot ni natong kaning r versus this one. Okay, so using the formula a is equal to pi r squared. Okay, this is the formula for the area no. So if we have the radius at 1 positive pi ana, then ana sad no 2, then 4 pi na siya no. Then kanisad negative 1 equal gyapon siya ana. So if we connect these points no, we will have a parabola no. We will have a parabola or a plot of a parabola. Okay? So muna siya, that's just a preview on what we will be discussing. That's just an example of an analytic geometry. So first is the graph of an equation. So we always graph the equation. And then we derive from the equation. So graph. So we have what we call the rectangular or Cartesian coordinate system. It's called Cartesian because it was Rene Descartes came up with this system. No? Okay, so there are certain terms that we should remember. No, the first one is the origin. No, it's the one in the middle. No, 0, comma 0. That's the origin. Next is the quadrant, or yeah. So one fourth no, of the screen no, or of the square or rectangle. So there's also what we call the ordered pair. Okay, ordered pair. So the ordered pair, why is it ordered pair? Because it is a pair of x and y. Okay, so the x component is what we call the abscissa. The y component is called the ordinate. We also have the axis, so the x and the y here. If this is P1, say there's P2 here. So if you want to know the distance between these points here, okay, so we will use the formula d is equal to the square root of x squared, x sub 2 minus x sub 1 squared plus quantity x, y sub 2 minus y sub 1 squared. Okay, so that's the formula no, for the distance. There's also what we call the polar coordinate system. No, we call it polar because we are basing it on the pole here. No, kaning pole, instead of saying origin, we call it the pole. There's also what we call the polar coordinate system. No, we call it polar because we are basing it on the pole here. No, kaning pole, instead of saying origin, we call it the pole. Ang yang axis, instead of saying x-axis, we call it the polar axis here. No, kani polar axis ni siya. Then the point here is defined by the point P. Ordered pair gyapon siya no, but it is the radius and the theta. So we're given the radius or the length or the distance from the pole, and then the angle that that this point, the line that is made here to the polar axis no, angle. Okay, so if it goes counterclockwise, it is positive no, positive theta. Then if it goes to the other side, it is negative. Okay, so theta is positive, is measured counterclockwise, and negative measured clockwise. No? For example, we have, let's say, 45 degrees, no? 45 degrees. Then it is going that way. Okay, going that way. So it is a positive r. Okay, but if you say that this is positive, this is 45 degrees, and then instead of going here, we go the other way. We go the other way here. So it is still 45 degrees, but the r here is negative. So let's say 1 unit, no, 1 r, no, comma 45 degrees. So that's how you designate that one. Yes, ang distancing is not based on the Cartesian plane, no, or the rectangular coordinate system, but mga reasons siya, no, 1, 2, 3, 4. So okay, kung yun na itong pag-designate, so 4r na siya, no. Example, so na kay 5, 30 degrees. So mag-una gyud ka sa angle, no? So mag 30 degrees ka. So is it 30 degrees? So 30 degrees ni siya, then positive 5 man, so it goes nga rita, no? This time it is kani 4, 120 degrees. So mo na 120 degrees ata from the zero, no, or the polar axis, no, padongan ha. Okay, padong dira ana. So you have 120 degrees. So positive 4 man, so ana, no. Okay, so kani negative 3, 45. So padong magkuansta measure tag 45. Then let's make a line, but it is a negative, so we go the other way. Ngarita padong. And then we have also the relationship of polar coordinate system, Cartesian coordinate system, no. So how do we convert? So kung kani nga p atong basihan, no, if this point here p1 r comma theta and then x comma y, the relationship is such that kaning r kuha na siya, no, x squared plus y squared is equal to r squared, no. So Pythagorean theorem siya, no. So if we also look at this one using the angle, so kani given ta ni nga angle, no, theta. If this is given, that angle is given, so that means kani opposite na siya, no. And then this one is adjacent. Then may h na to, no, hypotenuse. So mo na ni siya nga x or x nagsugod man ni x adjacent, no. So cosine, so r cosine theta. Ang y, kaning y is r sine theta. Okay? So now if we divide y over x, we get tangent theta. Okay? We already know, no, using the rectangular coordinate system, that this is the formula that we will be using, no. D is equal to square root of quantity x sub 2 minus x sub 1 squared plus the y component, no, of 0.2 minus the y component of 0.1 close quantity squared. Ini siya ang distance na to, no. But if it is the polar coordinate system, we will use this one, the square root of r1, okay, r1 kani r1 squared plus r2 squared minus 2r1 r2 cosine theta 2 minus theta 1. So if you notice kani siya, unsa man ni siya nga formula? I don't know if you notice it, but kuha na siya, di ba? Katong cosine law na siya, di ba? So similar, eerily similar to the cosine law. So kani a b, no? A plus b minus 2ab cosine c. Di ba? Why is it so? Kay if you notice kani siya, triangle man ni siya, di ba? Kani siya diri. Kani na kay given ka diri nga given ka ani nga included angle. So curves in polar coordinate system. So if we plot the radius, no, using the equation r is equal to 1 minus sine theta. If we're given theta, we can get r, the radius. So 0 ang angle. Then we get 1. Then we move on to 45. So 0.29 somewhere nga rin, no. 45 ino na to 45 nga rin siguro, no. 0.29 somewhere diri, no. Okay? And then at 90 degrees, so nga rin mo 0 siya. Then 0.2 na 135 nga rin na po somewhere diri, no. And then 180 degrees we get 1. And then at 270 degrees nga rin, no, somewhere diri na we get pila man ni 270 180 335 man ni 270 here, no. 270 we get 2 mari, wala di siya intermediate, no. So 270 315 mari 315, so we get 1.7. It's bigger than 1.5 but less than 2, no. So it's somewhere here. So napadita dapat diri nga ko, no. Inay 360 balik siya guwa, no. So if we connect all the dots, mahimo siyang heart shape, no. Heart shape nga figure which we call cardoid. So muna cardiac arrest, cardiology, so related to the heart. So heart shapes, yeah. We will now look into straight lines. So general equation, kanino, ax plus bx or by rather plus c equal to 0, or small case variable ax plus by plus c. If we look at this one, kaning angle, so tangent theta is equal to m. We associate the slope, we call it the slope of the line. Okay, so if we have parallel lines, so the two lines are parallel if and only if they have the same slope. So for example, if the slope theta 2 is not equal to theta 1, then they are not parallel. You have a line here ngayon na, no? So parallel siya na. So the slope, ang kaninga slope, theta 3 will be equal to theta 2. So perpendicular lines, so two lines are perpendicular if and only if one of the slope is negative, is the negative reciprocal of the slope. So negative reciprocal pag yun, no? So for example, ang slope is 2, then ang negative reciprocal niya is 1 over negative, 1 over 2. Negative, kanay negative reciprocal pag yun, no? 2/3, kung 2/3 pod or 3/5, ang negative reciprocal niya is negative 5 over 3. So let's have an example. So the polar coordinates are r, theta of a point are 4, 120. What are the rectangular coordinates? So remember, ang kadong ayang rectangular coordinates niya. So x o y, So ang cosine, sin cosine, So ano, So kani siya ato na lang pangitaon ni siya, Pangitaon na nato. Pwede sa diretsoon na to, Kay kani mahug man na og kuan na siya, angle gyapon ni siya. Diretso na lang ta, kani rx is equal to r cosine theta, So r given tas r, then theta this one 120. So simple enough, diretso ra, Sa direct substitution for cosine 120, you have negative 2. So r cosine, r sine theta for the y, we get 4 sine 120, So we have a 3.46. Okay. Let's move on. Another example. So what are the x and y coordinates of the focus of the conic section described by the following equation? R sine theta. So ang sine theta is equal to r sine theta is y, Kanino sa x ninyo sa, di ba? So atong ilisda, So x and y, So x is equal to r cosine theta, right? So cosine theta i-divide na to og ang x or kaning r i-transpose na to pikas, so divide og r. So divide r, cancel cosine theta. So mo na x over r siya. Okay, so mo na ni siya ni tabo nga x over r. And then y over r for the same process, So ma-cancel na to ang 1 nga r, Ma-cancel na to ang usa ka r ano niya, Okay, so mahog na ni siya og y squared over r is equal to x over r. So ma-cancel ang r, So y squared equal to x. So y squared is equal to 1x. Ang kuang gud ni ang standard formula niya kanay man, y squared is equal to 4ax. So that means kaning unsa ning nagtapad ani niya mo na equal siya ani. Ay sorry. 1 man siya. So 4a is equal to 1 mo ni siya, 4a is equal to 1. Okay? So if kaning kuan niya is 4a equal to 1, that means ang a is equal to 1 over 4, So ang f na to good, ang focus, we call it the focus here. So ingon man siya the focus. Ang focus niya is a, 0 man na. The focus is equal to, or ang coordinates of focus is A, 0. So kaning A, nakuha man na tong A, no? From this one, 4A. Kaya ang A, 4A is equal to 1, so i-divide na to og 4 to get A. Okay? So muna na siya nga nahug og ang atong coordinates is F close open quantity 1/4, 0 close quantity. We'll now move on to standard equations. So number 1 is point slope form. So y minus y1 is equal to m quantity x minus x1, x sub 1. So where m here is the slope, no? Slope ning m, no? We already know that, no? Ikuha na lang. X sub 1, y sub 1 are the coordinates of a point on the line. If 2 points are given, just get kaning gitawag og 2 points, 2-point form, no? Given tag duha ka points, mas maayo, no? So di ta maglisod. So we can get the m. So kitahay ka na may y2, then y1, okay, and then x2, then x1 kani. So mo na siya kani siya 2-point form sa ni siya, no? So napoy lain nga formula na, but it's still derived here, no? Or it's still coming from this formula here. Okay, so we also have what we call the slope intercept form. So kani siya ang y1 na to, we assume kung naa siya sa intercept, no? Nadre, that means ang a niya is 0 kani, and then ang iyang b is the y1. So 0 o y1. So mo na nga na-reduce na to ang iyang equation to this one here. So y is equal to mx plus b. So m is still the slope and then b is the intercept on the y-axis. Okay? So y-intercept siya here. Okay? So meaning na if a line passes through kani mo intercept niya, b mo nang b niya, no? For this line here, kaning red nga line, no? Mo nang b. There are also other forms like what we call the normal form, and then also the polar form. So the normal form is x times cosine phi or phi plus y sine phi minus d1 equal to 0. So just refer to this diagram here on the side, on the right, for the designations here. Then for the polar form, so we have r is equal to d1 over cosine quantity theta minus phi. We have this line here from here to here. Then we will draw a line perpendicular, no, perpendicular to this line, but the line will pass through the origin. So muna siya, no? Muna siya, and then ang kaning phi is this one, is this angle here. Okay? Kaning angle here. Katong line nga atong gi-draw, no? And then ang atong theta okay, is the angle of this line here, no? Okay? So we have sine theta, okay? We have sine theta equal to b over positive negative square root of a squared plus b squared. So ang a na to, kung natay equation of the line, natay what you call this one, no? Given ta sa equation mo na ni siya. So sine theta, okay, we can get the sine of this theta, no, angle, by using this formula. So b over positive negative square root of a squared plus b squared. Then cosine theta, a over positive negative a squared plus b squared. Then the distance or d1 here, no, kaning d1 here, is negative c over positive negative square root of a squared plus b squared. If you notice, all the numerators are the same. Okay? And then mag-change lang siya dari sa sine b, then cosine a, then d1 negative c. So mura na siya, no? So let's have an example. So the equation of a line that intersects the x-axis at x equal to 4. So kuha na kayo, no? Obvious na kayo. And then the y-axis at y equal to -6 is so muna 3x minus 2y equal to d. So simple ra kayo, no? We have to compute for the slope first. 6/4 mo na nahimo siya nga 3/2. Y minus y1 equal to mx minus x1. So you just choose which point you will use the equation, no? So if ang key lang ani is if you're gonna use point 1, you use the coordinates of 1, no? If you're gonna use point 2, you're gonna use the coordinates of 2. Dili pwede magsagol nga kani nga x and then kani nga y, no? Di pwede magsagol na. Mura na inyong key diha, no? Then substitute. So 0, 6, -6, we have this one. So we will come out with the same equation here, no? So muna na siyang answer na to. Okay, so find the slope of a line defined by y minus x equal to 5. So we have the answer of 1. So solution, so y minus x equal to 5. So we know we convert or we transform this equation into the standard equation, which is y equal to mx plus b. So mahimo siyang y is equal to ang x instead of it being negative, mahimo na siyang positive here, no? Then plus 5. I-transfer man nato siya sa other side. So we have the slope is equal to 1, no? I-emphasize lang na to, anay 1 na siya, no? So the slope is 1 because of this formula, no? Kung nahimo pa siyang 2x, so 2 po ang atong m. Okay? So mo na siya. Mo na to siya, no? Slope may gipangita, no? Mura siya complicated kay gitagaan kay equation ba, no? But kuha na to siya. Lipat-lipat, no? So what is the length of the line with the slope? 4/3 from 0.6, 4 to the axis. So length of the line, no? Kaning length sa line here, no? Mo na siya atong gipangita. So what is this distance? So given ka sa point, no? Given ka sa point, given ka sa slope. But we're not given asa ning a point here, no? So what we will do is get the equation of the line, no, by using the slope form, no? Point slope form. So we will get this point here and then apply the slope here, no? So y minus 4 equal to 4/3 times quantity x minus 6. So we will simplify this equation to 4x minus 3x 3y minus 3y equal to 12. So patanong man, kay distance may gipangita ani, no? So nakuha pa na tong equation. Now we will have to find this point, asa ni siya nga point. So if we have this equation here, ato lang ilisdan ning kuano x, no? Okay, ang x ilisdan nato 0. Okay, we know that the intercept has an x component of 0. So mo na ni siya, -3y minus is equal to 12. So we have y equal to -4. So that means 4 units din ni siya, no? Mo intercept siya at the 4th 4 units, no? So you have the d. We then use the formula d is equal to the square root of quantity x squared, x sub 2 minus x sub 1 squared plus quantity y sub 2 minus y sub 1 quantity squared. So we have d. Atong substitute the values, no? We substitute the values. We have 6 minus 0 squared plus quantity 4 minus -4 squared. So square root of 100 is 10. So kuha na gyapon, no? We can get the d, the distance here. So another solution, magsayon siya tanawon, but kaya nga analysis, no? Mag-graphical solution kani. So kuha ra, d is equal to kuha, no? We already know nga pag ang kani siya is 4, no? Kay 6, 4. So 4 man, then ingon ta nga mo intercept siya at 4. Okay? And then 0.6 sa siya, we know nga mo intercept siya sa 0. So 6 na siya, ug 8. So 8 squared plus 6 squared, square root of 100. So it depends on you how you will solve this. It's up to you. So, di man show your solutions. Multiple choice man eh. So, anything goes. It's up to you. No? Okay? Example, another example, the correct relation of degrees Fahrenheit and degrees Celsius temperature is, so muna siya, the answer is D, muna. So, ang atong buhaton na ni is we know that sa temperature scale, no, we know that at 0, okay, atong kano na, at 0, 32 degrees siya, no? And then at 100, 212 ang iyang Fahrenheit, no? So 0 degrees Celsius is equal to 32 degrees Fahrenheit. So that means at 0, no, nga degrees, kanay 32 na siya, 32 degrees Fahrenheit. Then at 100, no, kanay 100 na ni, mahimo na siyang 212 sa diri ang height niya, no. So ang slope niya is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1 equal to 212 minus 32 over 100 minus 0. You have 180 over 100. So, makancel na siya, no? So, 9 na siya, then 5. So, 9 over 5. Okay? So, we now have the slope, which is 9 over 5. So, transpose it here. Okay? So, 9 over 5. Ang atong x na to is degree C. Then, ang B is, mo-intercept man siya sa B at 32. So, manang 32 plus 32. Muna siyang kana, plus 32. Okay? Kani siyang intercept here, no? Kani nga point diri. Muna na siya, no? Degrees Fahrenheit is equal to 9 over 5 times C plus 32. So, kung i-transpose na to, if you want to get C, so i-minus na to. Una ko na to minus ang degrees Fahrenheit, no? Then, times 5 over 9. Okay? So, what is the equivalent? Degree Celsius equivalent of 212. So, obviously, 100 degrees, no? Kung kaibaw na kadaan, so nga, muna siya. So, memorize na nato sa thermodynamics 1. So, dapat memorize na siya, no? But if not, so compute, no, muna siya. F minus 32. So, 212. So, kani 212. Then, 5 over 9. So, makuha na to 100 degrees C. Simple na kayo, no? So, convert 1434.44 degrees Fahrenheit to degrees C. So, I love you very much, man, no? So, solution. Degree C is equal to 5 over 9 times quantity degrees Fahrenheit minus 32. So 143.44 minus 32. So times 5 over 9, we get 61.91 degrees C. Okay? So distance of a point from a line. So we call it the direct distance. No? So if we are given the equation of the line, then we are given also the coordinates x sub 1 minus y sub 1. So we can get the d, directed distance, as absolute, no? Absolute. Kani absolute na siya meaning ana. So ax1. So ang a ano niya, i-times na to sa x1, no? Muna ni. Then b times y1, muna na, plus c, no? I-divide na to sa square root of a squared plus b squared. Okay, plus positive, negative. So there are two distances here, no? Okay, para di kay ka maglibog, no? Naanay pareha ganina, no? Nga formula nga gi-discuss na, no? Okay, so para mubo na lang. So distance between two parallel lines, we have ax plus by plus c1. So we also have parallel naman siya, so dapat ang a ug b parehasad, no? Plus c2 ra ang mag-difference, no? Then, so we have the directed distance is c sub 2 minus c sub 1 over square root of a squared plus b squared. So, angle between two intersecting lines. So, tangent alpha. Okay, just refer to this figure here, no? So figure it out later na lang, no? Pero ang alpha na diri, no? Kaya nag-intersect man ni siya, no? Ang alpha is here. Okay, so we have the line here. Ana, nya kani nga line. Then kani din ang alpha. And then ang atong formula is ang tangent alpha is m sub 2 minus m sub 1 over 1 plus m sub 2 m sub 1. So if you notice kani murag kuan ni siya, nanay kapareha nga formula, no? Kadung sine kuan sum and difference of two angles, no? Sum and difference of two angles. Itanawalan ninyo pero at least dali na ninyo ma-memorize, no? So the beta here, kanisad kung kani mo itong gipangita, kung kanisad nga angle atong gipangita, so beta sa na siya. So M1 balira ang kuan, no? Nabalira ang kuan, ang iyang angles, no? And ganina M2 minus M1 karon M1 minus M2. Then same ra og denominator. Okay? So division of line segments. So if we divide, no, line segments into two or na siya certain ratio, no? Certain ratio, so makuha ra nato, no? Kanimo na siya, no? So example x minus x1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1 equal to the ratio. So x is equal to x sub 1 plus quantity x sub 2 plus x sub 1 times the ratio. So same rasad sa kuha, no? Kani man good, no? Ang kani nga point, no? Kani nga point mo itong gipangita. Okay, so kani nga distance here from here or from here to here, no? Mo na tong distance, no? So x unknown minus x1 kay ang x1 kani man ang x1 na to. Okay? Then ang kaning second nga point, we know that this is x sub 2, no? Then we know it is x sub 1, so i-minus ra nato. So kani nga ratio, ang length niya, no, divided by the whole length mo na siya atong ratio. Same with the same situation as the y, no? So if the ratio is 1/2, then the formula can be used to derive the midpoint formula. So for example, 1/2 siya, no? So i-divide lang to, no? So mo na ni gi-divide lang, no? Average of the two lines, no, or points. Trigonometric circles and angles. So unit circle, a circle centered at the origin with the radius equal to 1, also called a mu trigonometric circle. Mu ni siya. So we have the properties. Positive orientation of trigonometry is turning clockwise, no? Padong kontra sa rotation sa relo. So angles are measured starting from the x-axis. Same lang ganina, no? Cartesian coordinate system, polar coordinate system. So the two common units to measure an angle are degrees and radians. Then we have the orthogonal angle, which is 90 degrees. So may nga ortho meaning na square siya, no? Then pi over 2 radians na siya. So each real number theta corresponds to just one angle and just one point P on the circle. When starting measure the x, we call that a point image of theta. So mo na siya ang noun sa unit circle. Padungad to niya every pi, no, gi-divide ang pi. So natin 45, 60 kuha na siya divisible by whole numbers ang pi. Okay? So conics, the equation of a conic. So we have makakita kita ni nga equation, no? So ax squared plus bxy plus cy squared plus dx plus ey plus f equal to 0. So kani we consider it as a conic, no? Tuman ni siya diri. It's either one of these, no? Kani ba, kani or kani, no? So the standard equation of a conic, so same ra taas, no? Ang general equation pareha ra sa standard. Circle, so matangtang ni siya, no? Ana. Circle na siya. So certain conditions will apply, lain siya condition, no? Let's say ellipse, lain po siya, no? Nasay matangtang ani niya or nay mapuno ani niya. So muna siya ang standard equation, so general equation. So general equations of a conic a squared ax squared plus bxy plus cy squared plus dx plus ey plus f equal to 0. So quick test, if a is equal to c, so kani ganing a equal to c, so 1 kintahin ni, no? Kung wala na siya, x plus y, no? So circle na siya, no? So a plus y na padayon. So circle na dayon na. So a circle is formed by a plane perpendicular to the axis of the cone. So number 2, when only either x or y is present, so parabola, no? Kung usara, no? So or y squared is equal to x plus b, no? So example lang na, no? So usara gani, no? Or x squared is equal to y plus b. O kuha na siya, parabola na rin na, no? Okay? So an ellipse when A is not equal to C but both positive ellipse, no? A and C have different signs, hyperbola na siya, no? Okay, test for conics. So if you want to test for a conic, so b squared kaning b squared, square na to ning b, and then ang i-multiply minus na to ang 4 minus A og C. Magawas gani nga 0, so parabola, no? Then kung kani same nga ganina nga formula less than 0, so negative gani, ellipse siya, no? Kung greater than 0, so 1 siya, 2 ana, hyperbola. Okay, so let's look at the circle, no? So circle is the locus of points which are equidistant from a point called the center, no? So kung natutong yun, nakay center, nakay point diha, point equal distance siya dira, no? I-connect na nato mahimo siyang circle. So general equation of circles, ax squared plus cy squared plus dx plus ey plus f. So nawa ang b, no? So atong eccentricity is 0. Hindi man siya eccentric, no? Kay circle man siya. Kung kuan pa lang, meaning ana eccentric, meaning ana is it equal distance from the center? So 0 siya. Circle using the center radius form. So we have the standard equation with the center at 0, 0 and of radius r. So x squared plus y squared equal to r. So naa siya sa center, no? So ang yang center at the origin. Okay, so we can use the Pythagorean equation right away. So muna x squared plus y squared equal to r squared. So circle, the center radius form. So at center h comma k. Okay, so kung h comma k na ganyan, no? Ang iyang point wala na sa origin, no? So nanay distance, no? Certain distance. So kani nga distance mo na ang h, then kani nga distance here mo na ang k. Okay? So mo na ang x minus na to h, and then ang k, ang y minus na to sa k, and then squared. Same ra gyapon, no? Ganina, di ba? Y squared x squared y squared equal to r squared man. So karon ikuha na to, no? Ang x minus na to h, okay. Converting the general equation to center radius form. So we have the kanino. So x quantity x plus d squared over 2 squared plus y plus e squared over 2 squared, so equal to 1/4 d squared plus e squared minus 4f. So we may consider a circle a special type of ellipse. We'll use that one later, no? So what is the radius of a circle with the following equation? So x squared minus 6x plus y squared minus 4y minus 12. So solution, atong i-convert ni siyang equation here, ang given nga equation to the standard, which is x kani, x minus h plus y minus k squared equal to r squared. Okay, so completing the squares ni siya, no? Kani siya, no? Atong i-combine ni siya. Then kani balhin na to pikas. Okay, so mo na ni nahitabo ron, no? Kining x squared minus 6x plus y squared minus 4y equal to 12. Completing the square, so 6 divided by 2, then 3, no? So square na to, mahimo ng 9. So if we add 9 here to one side of the equation, we also add 9 to the other side of the equation. So x minus 3, kay 3 man to, di ba? Gi-squared na to. So x minus 3 squared plus ang kani y squared minus 4. Ang 4 divide na to 2 and then square dayon, no? So 2 squared siya, y minus 2 squared. So plus 4 equal to 12 plus 9 plus 4 this time, no? Kay 4 ing add man tag 4 dire. So ngare. So kani siya 25 man ni siya, no? So 12 plus 9 11 plus 4 25. So 25. So square root ng 25 mo na ni siya nahimo ang 5. Okay? So nanadta, no? So x minus h, y minus k equal to r. So meaning ana, ang atong center is at h, no, which is 3, and then ang atong k, which is 2. Okay? Ang atong radius is 5. So simple ra kay, no? Gi-convert ra nato, gi-completing the square, kuha na dayon nato tanan nga gipangita nato, no? Okay, so if we're looking for the area, so r squared equal to pi r squared. So nakoy na kuha na nga shortcut ani, no? So 12 kay mo may given, no? Plus kaning 6, no? 6 over 2 squared plus kaning 4, no? So 4 over 2 squared. So 4 over 2, 2 squared. So 4, no? Hindi siya diretso na multiply na nato sa pi, no? Muna ning area niya. Okay, mo na ang shortcut, no? So area is equal to mo na. Atong himo anong formula, ha, para malingaw taro, no? So ang area is equal to pi times f, and then sorry, ano, f plus kuan na wapatan na human, ha, ayo sa gi-multiply sa pi ang f. So mo add ta og x man to, no? D, no? D over 2 sorry, squared plus e over 2. Okay? Squared. Ana, no? So naa sa nagkwenta ni tanan usa ni may multiply. So mo na ang a niya. So mutan-aw lang ka sa equation niya, kuha na dayon ang area, no? Okay, so hopefully magamit na ninyo. We'll continue our discussion on analytic geometry. This time it's parabola, no? Locus of points whose distance from a fixed point called a focus and is equal to a distance from a fixed line called the directrix. So kung na kay line, no, if we put a line here, no, from here to here na, and then na kay focus dire natay certain point dire. So kani nga distance, no, kani nga distance, and then kani sad nga distance to the focus, if we connect, no, if we do another line here and then ana na pod. So okay, so eventually if we connect all the lines or the dots or the points that we made, no, kani and kani, we will eventually form what we call as a parabola. So let's discuss some terms. The first one is a. This is the distance from the vertex to the focus. Okay, so the distance from the vertex, no, from the vertex to the focus. Okay, so this is the focus here, no. Okay, so this distance from the vertex here to the focus here is what we call the a, no, distance a. So mo na nga kung natay natay equation, no, kaning a mo ni ma-determine na ni dayon nato, no. Y is equal to ax plus b. Y squared is equal to ax plus b, no? So f is what we call the focus. Okay, kani nga rin, no. Okay, kani nga part diri mo nang focus. Then the directrix is the line. Okay, the directrix is the line. And then L is the length of the latus rectum, no? So L, if we have this line, no, passing through the focus, okay? So kani nga point nga mo intersect niya, no? Mo ni siya ang latus rectum, okay? And then this is equal to 4 times A, no? So if we have this distance here, i-multiply na to kaupat mo na 4A mo na ang latus rectum. E, ends of the latus rectum. So mo na ang coordinates na to, no? E. Or the points E. Here also E sa ni dire. The general equation, when the axis is at the y-axis, we have x squared plus cx plus dy plus e equal to 0. So if the axis is at the x-axis, so we have y squared plus cx plus dy equal to e. And then the eccentricity is e, no, equal to 1. Ang kini eccentricity mo na to kadong directrix ganina, no? Kani nga distance here, i-divide na to sa kani nga distance, mo na siya ang e, no? Okay? And then mo na to ang ato is y-axis, kani x-axis man ni, no? Kay ang iyang axis, no, dara mo na siya ang axis nito. So kuan ni siya x-axis, so kani nga kuan na siya, no? Kani siya nga so kani siya nga equation atong gamiton. Okay, so if we have the standard equations based on the axis and the center, so kanino standard equations, vertex at origin mo ni siya ang kuan, no, vertex at origin. So yun siya, vertex at origin, ha. So ang iyang vertex kaning tumoy niya, no, mo na ang vertex. So we have origin, so kana, no, kung natang x ug y ani, so kung natang x ug y, so origin, no. So na diha ang tumoy, ang iyang equation here is kani x squared is equal to 4ay. Okay, so if it is opening upward, no, padong tanawa, ming open siya padong upward, no. Nakaabot ang kuan. Ay. Okay, si open siya upward, no. Okay, then if it is opening downward po siya, so x squared is equal to negative 4ay. Okay, so opening to the right, kanisad, no, opening to the right, no, so ana, then opening to the left. If you notice, no, ang iyang axis, more ni ako na observe, no, so para dali makakuan. You may have another way of remembering it, no, but if you notice kani kung unsay tapad niya, mo na iyang axis, no, kaning kung tapad gani niya power of 1, no, na kana power of 1, so mo na ang iyang axis, no. Kintahay o ay, ang tapad sa a, or kung unsa ang power of 1 mo na ang iyang axis, no, kana mo na axis y. Pero kani x, so x pud siya, no. Then kani mo sad, no, x. So kung sa ang power of 1, mo na ang iyang asa ang iyang axis. Now, mo open siya upward if positive, no. Okay? Nya kung negative gani, downward, no. Kung positive siya niya, ang iyang axis is x. So kung positive gani siya, to the right, no. If the it has a negative coefficient, to the left sad siya, no. So mora na ang inyong timan-an. Makakita kayo mo sa equation gani sa usa ka parabola, automatic na dapat ninyo, no, waray 5 seconds kay bawo na mo asa siya padung, no. If the vertex, okay, is at this one, no, h comma k. So if you notice, pareha ra gyapon ganina, no. Ang iya lang kuan, ang iya lang x ug y na itapad, no. So instead of singular nga y ra gid siya, nana siya minus k, no? Then x minus h. Okay? So same ra gyud, no? Formulating the standard equation of the parabola, the axis of the parabola is the linear variable. So power of 1, the sign is positive, it opens upward or to the right. The sign is negative, it opens downward or to the left. Coordinates, no, is f close open quantity a plus h. So ang a niya, you add h, then comma k. Okay? So the directrix, the x is equal to h minus a. Okay? So kung unsa ang h, so kani ang h minus kaning h mo ni diri, no? So nasa equation na siya, no? Then minus a. So ngari sad if the axis is y-axis, so k minus a. So location of the vertex based on the general equation. So ang vertex na to natay formula, no? Negative b over 2a comma c minus b squared over 4a. Let's have an example. The parabola y is equal to negative x squared plus x plus 1 opens. Dapat kay baw na ta diretso, no? So ikuha na to sa standard form. So para dali na to makuan. Kani siya dili siya na to dayon makuan, no, kay napa man siya yung mga coefficients, no? So ato sa i-collect ang mga like terms, no? So we have ato sa mungkagon. Ato himuon nga standard form nga x minus h squared equal to 4a quantity y minus k. So you have kay kani siya ang iyang linear y man, so kuan siya, no, mo open siya di pa nato may buwan pero ang axis niya is y, no? So x squared minus x then what kay baw dire, di ba? So ato ni siyang kuno, no, kung say ang kanin tunga, no, so 1 man ni negative 1, so divide og 2 niya squared, so positive 1/4, no? So mo ning 1/4, so plus 1/4 ngari sa speakers plus 1/4. Okay? Then so we have x minus 1/2 squared is equal to negative y, so negative y plus 1 and 1/4 or 5/4. Okay, so ang h niya ron, h is 1/2 and then k is negative 5/4 or 5/4 rather, no? So 1/2 and 5/4. Okay, so mo na ni atong vertex, no? 1/2 and 5/4. So naa ni diri dapita, no? Kani. So 1/2 kung 1 ni siya, so 1/2 kana. And then 5/4 is 1 2 3 4 5. So mo na. Okay? So ang latus rectum is 4a man, so 1, no? And then ang focal distance na to a is 1/4. Okay? Pen downward siya, no? Kay negative 1 siya, negative 1 man siya. Okay? Proceed to the ellipse, no? So the ellipse is the locus of points whose distance from a fixed point. So it's less than the distance from a fixed line, no? So same ra gyapon ganina sa parabola, naagay po kay fixed line, pero this time di na siya equal distance, no? So ang iyang kuan is mas taas na, the distance to the line is longer than the distance to the focus. So nagyapon siya focus diri, no? Okay? And then mo na, no, kung mag-plot tag parabola mo na iya maporma nga parabola, no? Nagi difference. Okay? So constant ang iyang ratio, no, mo na timan-an. Constant ratio. So locus of points in which the sum of the distance from the fixed point is constant. Okay? So ang terms ani niya na kay focus, vertex, common siya, no, na kay directrix, kani directrix. So kung mag-plot ta, no, gikan diri padong aning point dra, so kana mas longer ni siya. So kani na napuntay ngara, sorry, lapas. Ano, no? Ana. Okay, and then padong na sa dra na. Okay? So muna itong mga lines. If we connect all these lines, mo-form siya ellipse. Okay? So longer ang iyang ko ano, so ang iyang E is less than 1, no? So that means kani nga distance i-divide na to ani nga distance nga ri. So less than 1. Okay, so we have a general equation ax squared plus cy squared plus dx plus ey plus f. So the eccentricity, as mentioned, less than 1. So E is equal to C over A. Okay, and then A squared is equal to B squared plus C squared. A, B, ug C. So let's locate that. So we have this distance, no? So from here, one and B, no? Muna nga distance, no? That means it's from the center to the nga rin, no? Pinakataas nga part niya. Okay? Ang A is from the center to the leftmost, no? Kani. Okay? And then ang C is to the focus, no? Center to the focus. Okay, so ang iyang equation is A squared mura siya og ano? Mura siya og Pythagorean theorem, but ang A mo ay pinakadako, no? A squared. Then C is equal to square root of A squared minus B squared. So latus rectum is 2 times B squared over A. Distance from directrix to the axis D is A over A. So we have a center at origin, mo ni, no? So unsay pare sa x, mo na iyang axis, mo na ang iyang long side, no? Kabantay mo nga ray. So ang iyang pare sa x b, so ana sad, no? Talaason siya sa long side, no? So ana siya ngadto sa long side. Okay, so kani ang iyang pares is A. So long side ana. Then ang iyang nga pod long side ana, no? So ang pares gyud sa x is h, and then ang pares sa y is k, no? The equation 9x squared plus 16y squared plus 54x minus 64y is equal to -1. For this example, it converts na to standard form. Assume ta nga kay bawo na ta nga ellipse, no? So we have 9x then 16y squared, no? 9x squared plus 16y squared plus 54x minus 64y. So common niya, no, is 9. So 9 times quantity x squared plus ang 54 divided by 9, you have 6. 6 over 2 is 3 squared. Squared is 9, no? So mo na ning nahimo siyang 9. Nga ripod ang y squared 16, then kani 64 divided by 16 is 4 man. So you have y squared minus minus man 4 minus 4y. Then ang 4 negative 4 divided 2 2, no? Then squared, you have 4. So kung unsay gi-add nato diri nga side nga ri, i-add sa nato diri, no? So y 9 times 9 81. Then 16 and 4 is 64. So 9 times quantity x plus 3 squared plus 16 quantity times quantity y minus 2 squared equal to 144. So kani i-add din nato 144, no? Then kaning 144 we will eliminate this, make it 1. So we divide it by 144. So each term, each group, i-divide na to 144. So makancel ang 9. Ang 144 divided by 9, you have 16. And then 16 divided by 144, you have 9. Okay? So mo na ni atong x, mo ning h na to, ang 3. And then ang negative 3, no? Kay bali man na siya, no? Mo na ni, no? And then ang 2 here, ngari 2, then ngari sad 2, no? Mo na na. And then ang kani over a ni siya, no? So ang a na to naman ang pares niya x man, so that means long side na no? Horizontal siya, no? Then ang 9 mo ay b. Okay? So if we want to get the area, we have pi times AB, no? So pi times 4 and 3. Okay? Kaya squared man eh. A squared, no? B squared. Let's move on to hyperbola. So locus of points whose distance from a fixed point is more than the distance from a fixed line. So ganina ang ellipse mas taas ang directrix nga distance, no? This time mas longer na, bali siya. Okay, ang iyang eccentricity now this time is greater than 1. So mo na ni siya directrix natay bagong nga term kaning asymptotes, no? So approaching but not touching, no? So di gid siya mo approaching lang siya pero dili gid siya mag-abot, no? Then we have what we call the conjugate axis. And then we have this axis here also, no? Transverse axis here. Conjugate and transverse axis. So ang iyang vertices duha ka buok, no? Kani duha. Okay? And then ang focus nga rin, no? Duha ka focus. Then ang general equation na to, ax squared plus cy squared plus dx plus ey plus f. Then e is equal to c over a. Then a squared plus b squared equal to c squared. So c squared is equal to square root of a squared plus b squared. So mura siya Pythagorean theorem, no? But remember lahi siya, no, na siya difference kung ellipse ni, no? So latus rectum 2b squared over a. Okay, and then distance directrix is a over e. So the equation of the asymptotes is this one, no? So y minus k is equal to m x minus h. Okay, so equation na siya sa asymptotes. So standard equations based on center and axis. So mo na siya, no? Pangitaalin nyo pagi dali mo kinumdum, no? Importante nga you have mnemonics here, no? You use mnemonics. So what conic section is represented by x squared minus 4y squared plus 8x plus 4y equal to 15. So muna niya itong giingo, no, nga tanaw na to ang equation niya, no? So when a is equal to c, so a is equal to z, circle, no? And then when only x squared or y squared is present, parabola, then a is not equal to c but both positive, ellipse, and then a and c have different signs, hyperbola. Ang iyang a is not equal to b, kani b ni siya, but different signs, so mo nang hyperbola siya. So mo na atong ilhanan, no? Then not sa tay gitawag og transcendental or non-algebraic curves. Okay, so the first one is trigonometric. So mo sine wave siya, no? So y is equal to sine x. Mo form siya aning curve, no? And let's move on. We have what we call the exponential, no? Curves. So we have y is equal to e to the power of x. Karon exponential mo nang ingon nga exponential kay iyang growth. So, meaning pataka lang og saka, no? Kabantay mo ni nga kon, no? So exponential kay nga growth ana, no? So maingon ganig exponential nga growth mo ni nga curve iyang ipasabot, no? Okay, so nasa gay gitawag og logarithmic, no? So balisa ni siya ganina, no? Kay e to the x mo tong usa, no? So we will now move on to solid analytic geometry. Abi na tog 2D rin, no? Napagiday solid, no? So anyway, so maglisod-lisod kita sa atong kaugalingo, no? So the distance between the 2 points in space. So you have a d, then kay kani nga point, no? Point 1 and point 2. So 3D ni siya, ha? So dili ni siya 2D, no, on the same plane. So you have the square root of x squared minus rather x sub 1 minus x sub 2 squared plus quantity y sub 2 minus y sub 1 squared plus z. Ang uban mingon z, no? Z sub 2 minus z sub 1 squared. Okay, so we have 3 planes here. So the xz, xy, okay, xz and yz. So combinations x, y, and z. Okay, we have also planes, no? So kuan ra gani, yung nani ganing form gani, no, sa equation ax plus by is equal to k. So yan ang iyang plane is mo cover aning kaning area diri, no? Okay, and then kung naitulo ax plus by plus z mo touch siya, no? Mo intersect siya sa kada plane. Kani two planes ra iyang intersect, no? So that means if 2x plus y equal to 4 kaning equation, so ang iyang 2 nasa x and then ang divide og common, no, divide og 4. So mo ni ang plot, no? So cylinder, cylindrical plane or cylinder, no? So we have x squared plus y squared equal to r squared. So the center is at h comma k. So if the cylinder is at h comma k, mo na ni ma-form no ang iyang x parisan ani no. Pero squared ra gyapon no. So ay kalimot no. Mo ra gyapon ni. Okay, r squared gyapon. So the equation will depend on which axis or axes are intersected by a plane. And then intersection of plane and cylinder. So mo na no, x and y, and then makat siya no. So kung ato ning kaning part, ato ning kuhaon mo ni mahimo siya ana. Okay, sphere, we have center at origin mo ni siya equation. And then we have center at na kuan siya no na r ni siya no, r squared ni. Then x natabunan lang. So x mo gyapon no. So x, y, and z no. Ang z, ang z is p, y, h, k, and then p. So find the radius of a sphere center at origin, no, center at origin, which passes through the point 8, 1, and 6. So distance formula ra tong gamiton na nino. Mura siya og equation niya, mura siya og problem nga analytic geometry pero kuha na ni siya. Actually distance in space na siya. So ang atong kuhaon ang center to this coordinate no. So kung asa ni siya nga coordinate no. So kung asa ni siya nga coordinate kanida pita, so mag-create ka og sphere nga do, may go ani nga point. Okay? So ang fastest way ani is i-add ra ni siya tanan no. Ilisan ra nato kaning 8 mahimo siyang kana x, ipuli ni nato kada point niya no. So you have to think fast no. So x squared, x is 8 squared, so we have 64, and then 1, then 36, we have 101. No? So 36 plus 64, 100 na na, and then na may 1 squared, 101. So square root of 101. Itong radius.